the golf bag and the stereo Credenza, the bikes and the folding chairs, the wooden bucket and the shuttered door, the coffee table and the iron gate, the Art Deco table and the round coffee table, the Rattan base and the computer monitor, the bird bath and the antique chair, the two benches, the cafe chairs and the skis, a blue bed frame and the lounge chair, the trunk and the rowing machine, the dryer and the bookcase, the recliner and the bed frame, the chair and the trunk, the round table and the futon, the banquette and the dresser, the side table and the kitchen table, the TV and the couch, the bed frame and the guitar, the two tables, the bedroom dresser and the entertainment unit, the desk and the bike, the dresser and the stove.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.